What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and we are going to be going over the numbers for the week and personally why I believe $1,000 is the magic number and a turning point for all accounts, right? So today we're on, well, this is actually our best day, guys, so we on $278 in gross sales, 13 units sold today, and for gross sales of the week, we're at $1,131. So not bad at all, right? But basically, guys, I want to go over this magic number, right? The magic number is $1,000, right? And that's just because you literally start playing with $1,000 as soon as you hit $1,000, right? So let's say you only focused on things that were gonna make you 3x, right? Like you legit just went to store after store after store after store after store after store, and you just wrote like I don't know, like you just had like a whole list of like requirements, and every single product that you scanned had to meet those requirements. Let's say it had to have less than 5 FBA sellers. It was ranked under 20,000, and like you just like had a hardcore list, right? And you went to store after store. Now, obviously, this isn't going to be easy. It's going to be really time consuming. But I mean, let's say you put in the work, right? You go to store after store after store, and you spend $1,000, and you only buy things that meet that criteria, right? Or better, of course. That would bring you, at 3x, $3,000 in profit. So, let's just say 4x, and then you just take the 3x in profit or whatever, right? So again, let's just say this is 100% profit here. So that'd be $3,000 that you would have to do, right? And then you would go out and you would do the same thing. Now you might have to actually hire someone, or take someone with you, show them the ropes or something like that. Maybe a friend or a family member, get another phone, all the whole little 9 yards and stuff, so they can go out and start scanning and scanning and scanning and stuff with you, or at least to help you like package up and all that stuff or whatever. But yeah, so let's say you do that again, right? And you just follow that thing from you're out from day, night, like you're just out, you're traveling to different cities, different states, the whole 9 yards, right? You're really putting in this work. And same thing, right? And then you'll be at like 9,000. And then these are conservative numbers too. This is again, if you're only hitting the 3x, you might find products, several products that you're spending like $2 or $3 for that sell for 40 or 50. Like I've had a crap ton of that stuff going on, as you guys can see here or whatever, and I got a big box sitting like literally right behind me. Obviously, you guys can't see me, but it's like 48 pounds, and it's packed to the brim with stuff, but yeah, and you do the same thing over and over. So that could take, and let's say it takes like 2 or 3 months, right? But that'll be $27,000, right? Obviously, we gotta put in the work for it, and we gotta test all this stuff out, and we gotta actually go out there and do it. Right now it's just all speculation and stuff like that. But we're gonna see. I'm actually gonna go to a store, guys. Once we get our little paycheck here, we all doing everything by the book for you guys. So you guys can literally follow along and all that stuff. So we're gonna take the whole $1,000, literally every single penny, and we're gonna go to stores, and we're just gonna buy $1,000 worth of shit and send it in, and then we're gonna take the earnings from that and do the same thing over and over and over, right? So my thing is, when I go out, I like to spend the entire thing right away, right? So let's say 2 weeks or a week or whatever, right? Just take everything, buy it up, and then boom, send it right out. Boom. No babysitting, I do this stuff right away. I don't procrastinate or anything along those lines. And I know a lot of you guys got jobs, and you got, families, and, all that fun stuff, So you might not be able to just go out and just do it like, forever and stuff, completely understandable, but just, it doesn't take that long. Like today, for example, I went to one of these random little thrift stores. It was, can't even think of the name, but it started with a D something, like, I think they were well known. I don't remember. But basically I went in there and I bought this two of these little modem internet things or whatever, and they were going for $7.88, and they're selling online for 130 bucks or something like that. And profit, I think, was like $105, right? And the rank was like 100 and something. It was like 105, or it was something really low with the rank or whatever. So I was like, damn, ain't that something? Like, just like that, right? Bought two of them, that's because that's all they had. And then, that's right there. That's 200 something dollars in profit right there. And we was only in the store for like 15 minutes and when we found that. So again, you just got to put in the work, guys. Some days are going to be better than other days or whatever. You're going to go to some Goodwills and they're not going to have anything at all, or whatever the case may be, right? Just got to put in the work. Early bird gets the worm. So if you get up at 9 o'clock, that's the best time. I've been talking to the Goodwill people. That's like they said that's the best time to go in. It's literally at 9 o'clock. So get there at like 8:50 and run over there because there are literally people who wait outside of the Goodwill. There's normally a huge line on the weekends when it comes to the Value Village because everything in the entire store is 50% off. So if you have those in your area, I would definitely recommend that you hit those as well. But that is pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully everything goes the way we planned here. So we're gonna take this $1,000 that we're going to be getting, and just send everything in, and we're just going to see what happens. We're just going to see what happens. Like, again, I can't, obviously tell the future or anything. The Amazon account could get shut down, or none of the products could sell, or anything could happen. So I just want to make that clear and stuff. If we don't hit those numbers, but for the most part, in all my other businesses, that $1,000 is the magic number because as you guys see, that can grow, pretty quickly if you stay to it and you invest 100%. It really doesn't work for people who can't invest 100% because, again, you're not putting in 100%. Obviously, if you put in everything you literally possibly can, you're going to be able to make more money. But if you're doing stuff like, you get $1,000 for the week, and then you take out 500, and then you get $1,000 next week, and then you take out 500, and then 1,000. You're always taking out half. If you had just put everything back into the business, your business will be able to grow faster. Obviously. But again, that's pretty much it. If you got any questions, simply drop them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.